Breaking up your 3-note per string scale system patterns is a great way to find your way around the fretboard easier and learn the scales all over the fretboard much faster, but it also enhances your creativity because your brain is challenged and you have to see your fretboard in a new light. So I'm talking about something like this. So if you do this and you apply it, improvising everywhere you can think of, you will come up with much more interesting licks and patterns, and just your playing will get more melodic. So I hope you like that. So, and if you need more help and guidance, just check me out and hit me up on Kitaratunnit Tampere, and I will see you on the other side. See ya.